Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Fashion Player Zone. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. Allah bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trendy crochet tops ideas. I hope you all love these unique and decent crochet ideas. Please viewers, don't skip the video, watch the video start to last, because all these designs are so stunning and unique. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video you will see different colors and different decent and unique crochet articles. You can design your tops with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who are searching beautiful and outclass crochet blouse collection, it's an amazing collection for them. If you all love this article and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me and remember me in your bare friends. See you soon friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.